Climb inside the 2017 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.